Well, final day, last battle day, rush attack, 3-star no nature. So, where are we? We are... good. We've only lost 2 the whole time, not been hit too many times. 75% should stay as an A. Unless I get hit lots of times, but that's not too bad. And hopefully I'll do okay today. Well, looks like we're staying with the darks, and what's she got? A superior wound. Okay, good God. All right. There's a Kvasir, so yeah. Cool. I think we'll go with that. Yes. Don't know. It doesn't like the tournament and recording. Don't seem to be working very well. And I don't know why. I really don't know why. Okay. Let's drag this one down to the bottom and see what comes in. Ah, right, okay. I'm going to make the other blue here. Now I can do this 2 ways. I can... Let's do it this way. Oh, super. Indeed, let's do it this way. Cool. That one. Let's go this side. Nice. I knew that I would get the heal. Right, okay. Now the options, going for blues or going for blues, or we could go wholly against the tank. I think we go wholly against the tank. So she's... Let's go for her. Yeah. Sally, Poppy. Do we go with one Trevel? Let's go with one Trevel. And hang around for another 5 minutes waiting for this to bloody well make its mind up. Bloody hell. This is ridiculous. This is way too ridiculous. Come on. Trying to resist the temptation to poke at the screen. Oh my good God. There we go. Wow. Should have gone reds. No purples, no yellows. Well, 3 purples, 3 yellows, which is ridiculous. I'm going to have to get rid of these quickly. So let's do this. Nope. He's going to kill me. Yeah. He missed. You don't get the board, you don't get the board. And even if I stayed with the purples, I wouldn't have gotten the board there, so yeah. I think we go back to the purples. Maeve. And what we're doing? We're doing Hilo and sort of, let's go Bjorn. No, actually. Let's go Gunner to counter that Gunner. Go. That was better. Okay. Gonna do this. Let's see. Okay. He's far away. Cool. There we go. So I've made it through to the final day without another buy-in, which is good. Let's see. I think we're staying same team. Let's go with other gunner though. That'll work. So I've nipped over to International Crazy Cats from International Fight Club. Crazy Cats are part of the family. Not quite full at the moment. I think there's 26 out of the 30. And they're clawing their way up the table, so all good, all good. Just decided to take a wee bit of a holiday. Okay. That suggested move's looking not too bad. I'm thinking taking this green towards the top, see what fills in. Okay. Front three. Cool. Let's do this one. Let's try this. Yeah, let's just get rid of him. Oh wow, she did not die. last one. I'm going to put in her. So 50% decrease for any healing. And try and stay over on the right hand side. Yeah, so Crazy Cats, good bunch of people. And it gave one of their guys, Warrior, a chance to sit up in a top 100 team for a couple of weeks. See how he likes it. It's a big step up at times. Some of the teams we face, some of the alliances we face are awesome, well organised, huge depth of on their rosters. It's just And now that Znolfod has been nerfed, you're not seeing, a 30 Znolfod tanks on a war. There's a good mix of dark heroes now, I must admit. Tanking. I'm wondering whether or not with Cleopatra, don't know how many people are going to be getting her, but she looks like she could be an awesome holy tank. So we might see a shift there. Saying that would be kind of difficult because there are so many really good dark heroes to take out tanks, a holy tank. But aye, oh my good God, this is ridiculous. This is going to take this 20-minute, half-hour stage. Right, okay. Wow. I wanted to stay over the right hand side, and there are no matches over on the right hand side. Right, stay away from the tree. Gonna have to hit the tree. Didn't die. I hate this when you've got single moves. Am I missing anything? No, I'm not missing anything. This is the only move I've got. And then it does that to me. Wow. It just give me the one move. It did just give me one move. And not a move that I really want. Wow. Wow. Talk about screwing you over. Crying out loud. There was no way I was going to win this one. absolutely no way. That was shocking. I mean, I've had bad boards before, but that was shocking. Okay, top one, 5,000. I'll probably actually be top 5 at the end of this. But there you go. Yeah, that was a kind of a miserable last day. But what you gonna do? So anyway, I hope your tournament has gone better. And you haven't had boards like that last one. And yeah, take care, and I'll catch you later.